Here is an incredible development from the Japanese company Toyota. It's one of the first humanoid robots that excels at cooking. The culinary talents of the Motoman SDA-10 robot are demonstrated using 2 mechanical arms, each equipped with 7 joints attached to a torso that stands at a height of 135 centimeters and weighs a total of 220 kilograms. Thus, despite lacking legs, the robot works adeptly with its arms, mixing ingredients for pancakes in a bowl and carefully placing the prepared dough onto a hot griddle. Afterwards, it smoothens the dough with a spatula, giving the pancakes a perfectly round shape. Equally skillful, the robot flips these pancakes on the griddle, frying them on both sides. Then, the Motoman SDA-10 places the okonomiyaki on a plate and asks the customer about their preferred sauces and seasonings. Unfortunately, it's not really known how edible the pancakes prepared by the robot turn out to be. The Noodle Shop of the Future is a robotic kitchen developed by the Japanese startup Connected Robotics Company, featuring a fully automated food preparation system. This kitchen can cook traditional Japanese dishes using robotic arms and advanced AI algorithms. In addition to food preparation, the robots can handle payment processing and cleaning. The main goal of this innovation is to address the labor shortage, a pressing issue in Japan's restaurant industry. For example, a robot in a shop at a train station can prepare up to 40 portions of noodles per hour, reducing the workload on staff and increasing service efficiency. Using machine vision and deep learning technology, these robots can perform complex tasks, such as handling ingredients with care and monitoring the cooking process. Popular culinary blogger Nick DiGiovanni decided to hold a competition with 3 modern culinary robots, exploring their capabilities and comparing them to human skills. The blogger was shocked by how advanced robotics has become and noted that robots may soon be able to replace humans in the kitchen. The robot that impressed him the most was Neo from 1X Technologies. This humanoid robot is equipped with 2 manipulators that mimic human hand movements, enabling it to perform complex culinary tasks. Neo can precisely cut, mix and cook ingredients, making it suitable for a variety of kitchen operations. The android can operate autonomously for 2 to 4 hours, and it can be remotely shut down in case of an emergency. The robot stands 165 centimeters tall, weighs 30 kilograms, and has a payload capacity of 20 kilograms. It can walk at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour and jog at 12 kilometers per hour. Neo's body is designed using muscle-like anatomy instead of rigid hydraulics, making it as strong and gentle as humans. As the robot moves and performs tasks, it becomes even more efficient through continuous learning. The world's first fully robotized cafe lounge called Ratio Cafe and Lounge has opened in Singapore. Located in the Centrepoint Mall, the venue offers visitors a unique experience by using robots to prepare beverages. The cafe is equipped with robotic arms that can make over 50 different types of drinks, including coffee, cocktails, tea, and other signature beverages. Guests can place orders through a mobile application or via interactive screens at the cafe. Once the order is placed, the robotic arms automatically mix and serve the drinks with high precision, ensuring consistent quality and taste. In addition to beverages, Ratio also offers various snacks and dishes such as salads, toasts, and desserts. In the Japanese capital, a strange cafe has opened, where a robot prepares coffee for visitors. It takes the robot named Sawyer from 2 to 4 minutes to make 1 cup of coffee. He can prepare up to 5 cups simultaneously, but in that case, Sawyer slows down slightly. Customers place orders through a special terminal, then receive a voucher with a QR code and show it to the robot. The publication notes that Sawyer can replace from 4 to 5 cafe employees, allowing the establishment owners to save on salaries. The cafe is owned by the Tokyo-based travel agency HIS. The agency also owns a chain of hotels where some of the work is done by machines. "We have studied customer feedback and plan to open such cafes across the country," said a representative of HIS to the publication. Japan's population is aging, and labor automation is not a whim of the most advanced part of the elite, but a way to stimulate economic growth. Bangkok is an amazing city that has something to offer for every curious tourist. For example, if you step off the traditional tourist routes and delve deeper into the city, you may stumble upon a very unusual restaurant called Hajime Robot Restaurant. Upon arriving, you'll first need to decide whether you'd like to order pre-prepared dishes from traditional Thai, Japanese, or European cuisine, or if you'd prefer to cook for yourself. After placing your order, a funny samurai robot will arrive with everything you need. Once you've finished your meal, the robot will take away the dirty dishes. These skillful robots are great at lifting spirits, often flirting and behaving charmingly. If you're visiting with children, they might even perform a dance for you. The prices at the restaurant are quite modest, with an average bill typically not exceeding $20. This place is a must-visit for all robotics enthusiasts, as it's impossible to leave disappointed. The British company Moley Robotics has created the world's first personal chef robot that cooks and cleans up after itself. The robot kitchen is a suspended system with 2 mobile manipulators, whose movements mimic the delicate hand motions of a professional chef. The robot was trained in proper kitchen techniques and sequences by British chef Tim Anderson. Anderson's cooking methods were captured in 3D and then transformed into the robot's movements using algorithms. The device confidently replicates hand movements, retrieves ingredients from a smart refrigerator, adjusts temperatures, uses cookware in the sink, mixes, measures ingredients, and performs other tasks. The price of the robot is comparable to that of an average townhouse in the UK or a small yacht, around $333,000. Despite this, the developer has already received 1,200 inquiries from potential buyers. According to the developers, the robot's menu will be expanded monthly, and it is expected that the number of available recipes will eventually exceed 5,000. The Leipzig-based startup Da Vinci Kitchen has developed a robotic kiosk that autonomously prepares Italian cuisine dishes. For example, pasta can be prepared in just 6 minutes, while more complex dishes take up to 10 minutes. The device can simultaneously cook 2 portions, and then wash the dishes in 30 seconds. The advantage of Da Vinci Kitchen lies in its modular design, making it easy to reconfigure for preparing salads and dishes from other cuisines worldwide. The kiosks have already undergone testing and are now available for sale. Engineers at ABB Company have developed the humanoid robot Yumi, one of the first truly collaborative robots capable of safely working alongside humans. Yumi is a dual-arm robot designed to perform a variety of tasks, including small component assembly, cafe tasks, and customer service. One of the most well-known demonstrations of its capabilities was at the Computing Conference in 2017, organized by Alibaba Cloud, where Yumi created a cafe latte. The robot was programmed to perform the entire process from picking up the cup to preparing and serving the drink, impressing attendees with its precision and ability to interact with people without the need for protective barriers. In addition to coffee making, Yumi is successfully used on industrial production lines such as in the confectionery and bakery industries, where it handles packaging and sorting of finished products. Kangxi Robot Catering Group has introduced a fully automated restaurant located in China, where all processes from cooking to serving are handled by robotic machines. The restaurant utilizes over 40 robots that can prepare and serve around 200 different dishes, including traditional Chinese cuisine, hot meals, and fast food. Orders are placed through robot waiters using touchscreens. Once the food is ready, it is delivered to the table via a special skyrail system or trays that robots move around the dining area. The robot chefs are trained by imitating the actions of experienced chefs and can prepare up to 120 dishes per hour. The restaurant can serve up to 600 guests at a time, and its robotic system ensures a fast and hygienic experience, minimizing human contact and reducing the risk of contamination. Let us know in the comments if you would like to visit such a restaurant. In the United States, a restaurant has also opened where robots prepare and serve the dishes. Artificial intelligence will control all processes from cooking to serving, and customers can watch the robot chef Flippy 2 in action. Customers can place orders through an interactive screen using widgets, then watch as robots grill hamburger patties, package fries, and pour drinks. Engineers from Miso Robotics, who created Flippy 2, believe it will be a kind of show for visitors. The robots are attached to special rails, simplifying and controlling their movements around the kitchen. Essentially, these are robotic arms capable of grabbing, moving, lifting, and lowering items. Tasks like grinding beef, forming patties, and adding sauces are handled by the AI system. During the first few days of operation, employees from a nearby fast food joint will oversee Flippy 2. If it performs well, it will be left to operate on its own. The French startup Pazzi Robotics has developed the world's first fully autonomous robot for making pizza. The main feature of Pazzi is its robotic pizzeria, where the entire pizza-making process is automated, from kneading the dough to baking and serving. The robots are capable of producing up to 100 pizzas per hour, significantly increasing productivity without sacrificing quality. The entire process is controlled by software called Mike, which handles scheduling, inventory management, quality control, and product tracking through sensors and computer vision systems. In addition to high-tech automation, Pazzi places great emphasis on food quality. A three-time world pizza champion Thierry Graffagnino has been involved in developing the recipes. As a result, the pizzas made by the robots are not only quick to prepare, but also taste excellent. Japanese pub chain Yorinotaki has begun testing a robot bartender capable of pouring beer or mixing cocktails in 40 seconds. The robot is created by QBIT Robotics Company. It consists of a robot arm system that pours and serves drinks, a tablet displaying the robot's emotions, and 4 cameras that locate customers and determine their mood. It takes the machine 40 seconds to pour a beer and 1 minute to mix a cocktail. The robot can recognize customers' faces and use voice calls based on their age and gender to attract clients. To analyze customers' facial expressions, the robot uses a computer vision system and 4 cameras. While the mechanical bartender lacks speed, introverted Japanese people like the novelty of the new employee. There is no need to engage in lengthy conversations or attract its attention to order a beer. The cost of the robot is $82,000. This development could trigger a wave of automation in restaurants and cafes, where young Japanese people are reluctant to work. The Israeli company Kitchen Robotics aims to revolutionize the commercial kitchen with its innovative system named Bistro. This robotic kitchen complex automates key stages of food preparation, freeing chefs from routine tasks. Bistro can prepare up to 45 dishes per hour, using over 35 different ingredients, and offers a wide variety of meals, from pasta and soups to salads and steaks. Equipped with 12 containers for liquids and 23 for solid ingredients, the robot mixes, cooks, and serves dishes according to pre-programmed recipes. Bistro is already in use at several locations in the US, and the company plans to significantly expand its presence. This solution helps restaurants reduce labor costs by up to 75% and decrease food waste by 33%, making the cooking process more efficient and eco-friendly. The startup Hyperfood Robotics has kept up with technological progress by developing a fully automated fast food restaurant. This innovative restaurant is equipped with robots that handle all kitchen functions, including preparing pizzas, burgers, salads, and other dishes without human involvement. The establishment is a container kitchen equipped with 2 robotic arms, 120 sensors, and 20 AI-powered cameras. The robots can make up to 50 pizzas per hour using 3 convection ovens, a conveyor system, an automatic slicer and packager, as well as 30 pizza warming cabinets and ingredient storage systems. The robots perform all tasks independently, from kneading dough to packaging finished dishes, and even clean themselves every 40 minutes using ozonated water, which kills bacteria and viruses. A USCA is the world's first robotic chef that can cook eggs, created for the Millennium Hotels and Resorts chain in Singapore. The robot was developed by the startup Curva Automation, with support from the Singapore Productivity Center to help address labor shortages in hotels and restaurants. This autonomous robot can prepare omelets or fried eggs, using a robotic arm to add oil, crack the eggs, and cook them to perfection. Guests simply place a plate on the robot's platform and select their preferred style of egg preparation. Future plans include expanding the robot's capabilities to cook other types of egg dishes. Notably, AUSCA allows hotels to handle staff shortages more efficiently while adding an interactive element to the service experience. At the exhibition, every visitor had the opportunity to enjoy coffee prepared by a robotic barista, especially since there were numerous coffee-making robots showcased this time. A coffee-making robot can brew a variety of coffee types, from espresso to cappuccino, based on individual preferences. It precisely measures the amount of coffee and water, ensuring a consistently perfect flavor every time. Additionally, the robot can utilize different types of coffee beans, including exotic varieties. One of the main advantages of a robotic barista is its speed. The robot can prepare coffee in just a few seconds, saving time and improving service efficiency. Moreover, it doesn't get tired or make mistakes, guaranteeing consistent beverage quality. However, robots cannot replace the art of manual coffee preparation for those who wish to control every step of the process and savor the joy of crafting coffee themselves.